Welcome to the Premiere Pro course. I'm so excited to have you here. In this video, I just want to give you an overview of what to expect from this course and how to have a great experience taking it. The first thing to do is to make sure you have the latest version of Adobe Premiere Pro installed on your computer. Every year or so, Adobe releases a new version, and we'll make sure to keep this course up to date with any brand new features. And you'll see those lessons titled as an update lesson when we do have new features. In the next lesson, you'll download all of the supplemental resources that include things like video clips, music, project files, graphics, other things you'll be using throughout this course. So make sure you have those downloaded. Next, I want you to just look over the outline of the course so you understand the flow. I've tried to outline it in a way that is similar to how you would edit a video. So first, you start with the basic editing, then you move on to things like adding audio and video transitions, editing your music and audio, adding title cards, graphics, and moving through the entire process. Within each section of the course, I have just the basic lessons that teach you the essentials, but I've also included what are called bonus lessons that give a more in-depth training on different editing techniques. Some of these bonus videos might be a little more advanced, and so if you're taking the course and you don't feel like you're ready to take those lessons, feel free to skip them and come back to them when you are. And some will be added over time based on student feedback. So speaking of that, if you have any concerns or questions or things that I didn't cover, please let me know. I am happy to update my courses and make sure they are the best for as many people as possible. With that, I think we're ready to jump right into Premiere Pro. So let's get going. It's going to be fun.